Hi folks, John from Thunderbolt Locks, and today I'm going to show you the process of installing the lightning bolt lock pin in a box truck. Let's get started. The lightning bolt comes with three parts. I'm going to show those to you. First, we have the lock pin itself. It looks like that. It's got the tamper-proof head. This is the anchor. This is going to secure into the side of the truck. And then the key tool. This is also tamper-proof, and this is what's going to engage the pin and disengage the pin to lock it. In order to do the installation, you're going to need some tools and bits, and we have this installation kit, and I want to show you everything that comes in the kit. It's very handy for doing this installation and very helpful. First, we have a left-handed tap. We have a step bit, a center punch, long drill bit, and a pilot drill bit. So the whole premise of the lightning bolt is to obstruct one of the roller wheels from rising. So what you want to do is identify a spot above a roller wheel that's clear on the outside from any obstructions. That's your first starting point. What you want to do is locate a spot right above a roller wheel, mark it with the marker, and then we're going to open up the door, and we're going to check to see if there's any obstructions on the outside. So there's only two measurements that you need to figure out where to drill or mark it on the outside or check for obstructions. So we're measuring the distance from where we marked our spot to the outside of the truck and from the floor up. So right here, that's our spot, and we don't see any obstructions for putting in the anchor. Grab your center punch. You're going to make a mark where you're going to start your first drilling. Use the smaller drill bit, which is the pilot bit. Once that hole is done, you're going to switch over to the long bit, and you're going to drill all the way through to the outside of the box, and then you're going to grab the step bit. Let me show you that one next. Next, you're going to use your step bit. You're going to drill from the outside all the way to the max size, which is 11/16. That's what's going to fit your anchor. Now we're going to go to the inside, and we're going to open up that hole big enough for the pin to go all the way through. So now I'm on the inside of the box. I'm going to use the same step bit, and I'm going to drill a hole big enough for this pin to fit through from the outside in. The next step is the step I want you to be most careful with, and that's tapping the outside of the hole. You want to make sure you go slow, you tap it straight. You can use an official tap handle. Some people can use an adjustable wrench. Again, you just want to make sure that you go slow and you're tapping straight. I like to use a 13mm socket on an impact driver. I put my bit right in there, it fits really snug. I go in reverse because it's left-handed, and I just go real slow until I get it. The threads will clean themselves when you're going in and out, and that's the next step. Again, you want to tap very carefully. The next step is just to insert your anchor into the hole. Remember, that's left-handed thread, so you can use the key because it also serves as a tool driver for the anchor. So when you find that hole, you put in the anchor, and now you're going to turn the key to the left, and that should thread right in. If you're having any problems, you can always grab a plier or an adjustable wrench and just give it a little bit more torque and push it in there. Once the anchor is in, you're basically done. You can insert your pin, apply your key tool, give it a couple revolutions, and now it's locked in place.